Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Framing Pro Tips. In this episode, we're going to be talking about plumbing your door jacks, kings and jacks, after your walls are built. Okay, so what we're doing is our walls are already attached and plumbed, our exterior is sheeted. So we're just checking these jacks to make sure that they're perfect, because when they put these doors in, it makes it way easier if these jacks are actually perfect. So we're going to put a level on them and see if they need to lean left or right. Now this one is pretty darn close, but it could lean into the doorway about a 1/16. You can see that there. So I got a 1/16 inch gap on my level, between my level and the jack. Now that's actually pretty good. But while we're here, we're just going to pound over the bottom that way so we can plumb this perfectly. And there we have it. Now I'm also checking left and right, so in and out of the wall. And we look good there. You don't need to check both sides. But I could also pound it a tad off the plate, just so that when they set this door, it's way easier. So since we moved it a little bit, we're just going to put a couple toenails down. That ensures it's still strong after we moved it. So when you have 3 studs like this, it's super hard to move it. So we're not going to be able to get a lot of movement out of this one. And it's actually pretty darn close over here. You can try it, but the point of this is to just go ahead and touch up our work to make sure that we catch any bad mistakes. Sometimes these are even leaning a quarter just because they got nailed a little bit off the line on the top and bottom plate. Now that our jacks are plumb, we're going to cut out this doorway. This is one of the few things that we're able to get perfect on most doorways, especially this hinge side here. It makes it so much easier to install doors if the jacks are plumb left and right and forward and backward. If you guys got any value out of this, be sure to subscribe. We're doing a video about every skill it takes to frame a quality house.